everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have lunch in one of the Turkish restaurant in Bangkok, and I never tried any Turkish food before. So without further ado, let's check it out and try the food, guys. Let's go. Excuse me. What is special menu here? Yeah. This is Turkish?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so all the food that we have ordered are here. So we ordered a mix of kebab here. It's really big portion, can be for 2 people. And then here we have lawas bread. It's a Turkish bread here. It's so big, wow. And then last but not least, we ordered yaprak sarma, this one. So why I ordered this? Because I always watch video on TikTok and on Reels about this kind of food. So I really want to try this. Okay, yaprak sarma. So I'm not sure how to spell it. Is it right? Yaprak sarma. Okay guys, so in this one plate of the mixed kebab, it contains chicken wings, and then there is some kebab, chicken and beef kebab, and also they have 2 pieces of satay, chicken and beef here. And they also have additional rice in the middle here. So let's try from the kebab first. So here I have the minced kebab. Look at this. Let's try guys. Bismillah. Wow, the minced beef is really juicy and tender, and it's really flavory. It's really nice, guys. I'm gonna try with the bread, lawas bread. really crunchy bread. It's wonderful taste. You can see how juicy is the minced beef, minced kebab, and then with the crunchy bread, it's really wonderful. Right now I'm gonna try the chicken kebab. It's very big size of chicken kebab. Bismillah. Wow. The chicken is very tender and flavory too with the ingredients here. You can see it's all well cooked rice. Right now I'm gonna try the chicken wings. Oh, let's try, guys. Wow, it's very smoky and very tender. Now I'm gonna try the steak, guys. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna cut it half so my friend can try too. Here we go. Let's try. Wow. It's really nice. Right, last but not least, we have here the yaprak sarma. The thing that I always watch on TikTok or any YouTube channel, any other YouTube channel. So I'm curious about this food because it seems like it's wrapped with this leaf, and then inside there is rice. Okay, let's try, guys. Bismillah. It's really incredible taste, soury, and inside you can see there is rice, and I think they cook it with some vinegar, so it tastes really sour. I'm not sure should I take out the leaves or not, but it's okay, I can eat it like this. Okay, before we end our food today, so here there is a Turkish tea. I'm gonna try Turkish tea, guys. So I will not add any sugar here first. I'll try. Ooh. It's very hot Turkish tea. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I'm taking you to the one of the Turkish restaurant in Bangkok, Siloam. So if you are traveling to Bangkok and would like to try Turkish food, so come here in Saman Turkish restaurant, and it's really nice and worth it to try. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also turn on your notification bell because I'm gonna post 3 times a week, every Saturday 10 a.m, Thursday and Thursday 3 p.m. every week, guys. So don't miss any video from me, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye from Bangkok.